Friends, buckle up, because 2025 is shaping up to be a wild ride, financially speaking. The Donald is back in the White House, and he's got big plans for the economy. Think of it like him trying to remodel a casino with dynamite. He's talking about shaking things up with taxes, credit scores, and even how we buy houses and healthcare. Now, I'm not saying it's all bad. Some folks might even catch a break. But one thing's for sure, we're all gonna feel the tremors. Now, let's be clear. Predicting exactly what Trump will do is like predicting which tie he'll wear tomorrow. It's anyone's guess. But we can look at what he's proposed before and what his administration is hinting at now. And frankly, it's enough to make you want to stuff your mattress with cash and hide under the bed. But don't panic just yet. Knowledge is power, and understanding these changes is the first step to making sure they don't bankrupt us all. Let's talk taxes, folks. That magical word that makes everyone simultaneously groan and reach for their calculators. Trump's been pretty vocal about wanting to tinker with the tax code again. He claims he wants to simplify things, but honestly, with him, simplify usually means make it easier for billionaires like me. One big rumor is that he's looking at those tax cuts he passed back in 2017 like a dog eyeing a steak. You know, the ones that mostly benefited the wealthy, he might try to make them permanent. Now, that might sound good if you're rolling in dough, but for the rest of us, it could mean less money for things like schools, roads, and, not letting the entire government collapse. Okay, let's talk credit scores. Those mysterious numbers that determine if you can get a loan, rent an apartment, or even get certain jobs. Trump's administration has been throwing around the idea of a new credit reporting system. They say it'll be fairer and more accurate, which, okay, sounds nice in theory. But here's the catch. The details are about as clear as a glass of Trump's favorite orange juice. We don't know exactly how it'll work, what information they'll use, or who will benefit. Will it actually level the playing field? Or will it just make it easier for lenders to take advantage of people who are already struggling? It's like playing credit score roulette, and right now, the odds aren't looking so hot. So, how do we survive this financial roller coaster? Well, the first step is staying informed. Don't just rely on what politicians are shouting on TV. Do your own research, read independent news sources, and talk to financial experts you trust. Second, get your financial house in order. Build up your emergency fund, pay down debt, and track your spending. The more financially secure you are now, the better you'll be able to weather any storms that come your way. And finally, remember, you're not alone. We're all in this together, trying to make sense of this crazy, unpredictable economy. So let's stick together, stay informed, and maybe invest in a really good financial advisor because Lord knows we're gonna need it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our next video, where we dive even deeper into the financial changes coming our way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay informed, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next one.